Hey guys, welcome back to Go's Fusion Kitchen, and today we shall be making shortbread cookies. In today's recipe, we need 175 grams of flour, 125 grams of butter, 50 grams of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Firstly, let's start off by combining our flour and our sugar into our mixing bowl.
Let's mix these two ingredients together. Make sure you mix them thoroughly so that the sugar spreads evenly throughout the dough. This will also keep all your cookies balanced in sweetness. That should be enough mixing.
Next we shall add our butter into our flour and sugar mix.
With your thumbs and the rest of your fingers, rub the butter into the flour until it forms some kind of dough, or breadcrumbs. This is how it should look like.
Finally, let's add our milk into our mixture.
We add the milk so it's easy to combine all the ingredients in the dough together. Milk also helps make the dough softer and will make it easier for us to shape the cookies later on. Now that's a good dough.
Let's grab our dough and shape them into some cookies. Let's place these in the 180-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. It's been 10 to 15 minutes, so I've taken the cookies out of the oven. If we look here, I think they're done, quite golden brown. Can't wait to eat them. So, I hope you enjoy your cookies at home, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!